Hey, what's up, BEPRO Network? So this is the latest update of BEPRO Network, and what's the prediction to upcoming days? BEPRO Network is moving up or fails down, and what's the target? And what's the my opinion, my friends? Do they sell? This is selling time, holding time, or buying time. All right, my friends, come to the point. Let's start this brand video. But I request you, my brother, if you are new on our channel, then absolutely I give you a guarantee to if you subscribe this channel and press bell icon, you cannot lost. Absolutely, you subscribe this channel, then you cannot lost. Subscribe this channel and press bell icon. Keep touch with us. I update you every time. Alright, come to the point. The last 1 hour chart, first of all, the update is very important. The last 1 hour update, if you can see here, the change occur as here plus 0.13% they change occur, and they are in the positive. So definitely if they cross the resistance line, the change occur is in positive. So definitely this time they cross the resistance line and they are in the profit. Alright, my friend, you can see the price as 0.012888 US dollar. So definitely the price is also increased now, in upcoming days also they more increased now. And what's the prediction? All right, I tell you, my friend, you can see here, my friends, this time which chart on the screen. This chart as proof you, my friends, to upcoming days they're moving up. You can see here after a fails they take a jump, and after a jump they fails down. You can see here every cryptocurrency is moving in this circulation. So definitely after a jump they take a short fail, but after this fails they take a jump. So I hope, my friend, this is very long jump. I hope, my friend, at the midnight they can give you 0.1 US dollar if they're moving at this speed. Definitely if they're moving at this speed, if they're moving like this trend. So definitely the price is moving up. So the prediction is that, my friends, to upcoming days moving up. So if you are absolutely holder, my friends, then don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time. I hope they give you very good profit. So all holders, please be alert to don't sell it. Please, I told you, if you what I talk you in this video, absolutely you follow me, then absolutely you cannot lose. So subscribe this channel and press bell icon for videos notification. I update you, I tell you, my friend, to what video. Absolutely, my friends, don't sell it, hold it. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe this channel for keep touch with us, follow us, and absolutely you cannot lose. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.